Can you see yourself in the 2008 INFINITI G35? This vehicle still has fewer than 200,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This vehicle delivers the best of sporty styling and modern efficiency. Confidence comes standard thanks to driver-focused design, state-of-the-art safety features, and a premium feel. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, keyless start, fog lamps, power passenger seat, electronic stability control, power driver seat, rear AC, multi-zone AC, aluminum wheels. This vehicle offers the ride you want and the value you need. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.